Hi there, my name is Brady and this is Friday Faves. Today I want to show you my very favorite quilting ruler. This is the Guidelines quilting ruler, and what I love about it the most is this slider that's on the back side. Watch how quickly I can cut strips using this ruler and that handy little slider on the back side. It just butts right up against my fabric and stops anything from moving. So I can whip through strips in no time flat. I love this handle on the ruler as well. It helps me lift it right out of the way and doesn't slow me down. The edge of the ruler to try and find it. I just lift it and carry on. So let me show you a couple of other really great things about this ruler. It's actually modular. This handle is joining two 6x12 rulers together. So I could pull this apart, use it as an individual 6x12, or I could even put the second ruler beside it and make myself a 12x12 inch square. The slider on the back side bumps right up against that raw edge of the fabric, and it prevents my ruler from shuffling at all when I'm making my cuts. Add to that the non-slip strip that's along the edge, and you have just got a recipe for success. I have no shifting to the left and no shifting to the right. I also have this really great finger guard right along the edge here so that my hand can never slip off the edge and get chopped off by the rotary cutter. We all know how dangerous those things are, right? So if you are looking for a really great ruler that can replace not one, but two, but three different rulers in your collection, I want you to check out the Guidelines for quilting rulers. Another amazing thing about these products is they are made of polycarbonate plastic, which is virtually indestructible. I have met the manufacturer and watched him throw this ruler off a third-story balcony with no damage to the ruler whatsoever. Not a chip, not a crack, nothing. They are virtually indestructible. Now, you also saw me using my Martelli rotary cutter. I did a review on this one last week, so go back and check that out if you're interested in that product. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next Friday.